Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Gibson here. I think some of you may have been absent when we went over the directions of how to do your vocabulary homework. So I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial so that you can get that done. So first of all, the words and the definitions and the words used in a sentence can be found here on the left-hand side. There's your list. Then the actual homework is here and here. Let me explain what I mean by that. So in this document, this PDF, you have the words used in context, but you need to keep scrolling. Then this first part isn't actually an activity, okay? Scroll, 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 scroll down to choose the right word, okay? Now, when you go over to the form, this is where you put, sorry, my dog's barking. This is where you put the answers. Okay, so scrolling down, next. Okay, well, I'm not going to put in my information, but anyway, the first activity, I believe, actually, let me just go into the editable part of this so that you can see. Okay, see, choosing the right word. So that's where the actual assignment begins. Again, going back to this is the PDF was choosing the right word. That was where the activity began. So what you're going to do is put your answers between opulent and insidious, verbatim, tentative, etc. into this form, okay? Please let me know if you're having any difficulty with this, but everything should be working the way it is supposed to be. All right, thanks, bye.